مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Welcome back, dear students. This is your English teacher, Mr. Muhammad Al-Arabi Khattab. A new lesson from Unit 3, From Place to Place. And today we are having some grammar in which we will revise and go deeper in knowing more about the comparative. What is that? We will see. And then we will have some listening as usual, describing the new house. So, without any further discussion, let's go. Your book, student's book, page 39, please. Page 39. The comparative forms. What is it, sir? We will see some examples and you will remember. Then you will learn more. Here is the page 39. We will be working on this side. So let's go. As a starter, two boys, as you can see. One in blue and one in orange and green. Let's describe them. Who are they? And how are they in form and shape? This is Hamad, and Hamad is tall. Hamad is tall. And this is Nasir. Nasir is short. Hamad is tall. Nasir is short. What if we want to put them on a balance and compare them? نقارنهم في جملة واحدة. What should we say? We say Hamad is tall Nasir? Tall than Nasir? Or we say Hamad is taller than Nasir. Hamad is taller than Nasir. What about Nasir compared to Hamad? Nasir is, how do we say it? Yes, since Nasir is short, so Nasir is shorter than Hamad. Now here is the rule. In short adjectives, tall becomes taller than, like in the example, and short becomes shorter than. A question, sir, are these all the adjectives that the rule applies to? No, these are only examples. Examples, tall and short, hungry, angry, quick, fast, smart, they are all short adjectives. When you have short adjective, you use er plus than. Okay? What about long adjectives? Can you give me an example? Here is an example. Dangerous. Dangerous. This dog is dangerous. That dog is not dangerous. So, my dog is dangerous than yours? Or we say, my dog is more dangerous than your dog. Or comfortable? My car is more comfortable than your car. Short adjectives, long adjectives. And you can see this is a long adjective. Long adjective. This is short adjective. Short adjective. What about these? Irregular adjectives. Good, for instance, in comparison becomes better than. Better than. Bad, worse than. Worse than. Much and many becomes more than. So it's so simple. If you want to know more, let's put these rules and examples into practice. And here we go to your book. Back to your book, page 31. 9. and we try to start with the activities. Here we go. This is the page, and here we start on this table here. Complete the table with the correct form of the adjective. So we have the positive or descriptive, and here the comparative, when we put it in comparison to another thing. Okay? Then the first one, quiet. I'll give it to you as an example. Quiet becomes quieter than. More comfortable than, in the origin, comfortable. Very good. What about close? It's, yes, you got it right, closer than. Hotter than is from the adjective hot with one T. Very good. Beautiful, is it short or long adjective? Yes, it is long. What did we say about long adjectives? We add more at the beginning, more, and then. Busy, is it short or long? Well, busy is short. Busier. Pay attention, the rule, we spoke about the rule of why. Here becomes an I. And the irregular adjective, good, is better than. Bad is worse than. Far is further than. Much and many, as we have said before, becomes more than. So simple. Pay attention to this note here. As, adjective, as. Put any adjective here. For instance, as quiet as comfortable as close as hot as beautiful as good as. All adjectives apply here to mean what? It's equality, when two things are equal to each other. إذن لما يتساوى الطرفان في المقارنة we use هذه الصيغة as, adjective, as. Okay, for instance, my new neighborhood is as quiet as my old neighborhood. Your old sofa isn't as comfortable as our new sofa. I hope it's clear, because we are going to need it right away. Activity D. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the adjectives in brackets. So we have a sentence with a space and an adjective. I need you to put this adjective in the correct form. The first one, we do it together. I think popcorn is, adjective, tasty than crepes. So popcorn compared to crisps. Tasty? Yes. Tastier than. Number 2, my new neighborhood isn't as peaceful becomes as it is, no changes, as peaceful as my old neighborhood. Number 3, the Pacific Ocean is, adjective, big than, bigger than the Atlantic Ocean. Our garden is as, adjective, beautiful as our neighbor's garden. Any changes? No changes. As beautiful as. Ahmed is, adjective, good at science than Saleh. So Ahmed is good. Saleh is trying better, but Ahmed is good. So what do we say? Ahmed is good at science, or gooder at science, or better at science. Very good. My house is far from school than Fatima's house. Far becomes further or farther. Further or farther. Excellent. Well done. Here we go. Back to our page, Students Book 39. And now we move to the listening part. Where is it? Here it is. We were here. We move here. Okay? Let's go. This part, listening, A. Let's listen.
4. Listen. A. Listen to Laura talking to her cousin about her new house and write T for true or F for false. Then check your answers with a partner.
Here we go. I will play the sound, the audio, and you will see if it is true or false. Read the sentences, please, and get ready. Okay? Question number 1. Laura's old house had a balcony. Let's listen.
Hey, Laura, what do you think of your new house?
Well, I like it more than our old house because it's bigger and it's got a beautiful garden.
Oh, that's nice. Your old house didn't have a garden, right?
No, just a balcony.
And what's your bedroom like?
So, the old house had a balcony. True or false? Little help? Yes. True. True. Very good. Next one. Her new bedroom has got a beautiful view of the garden.
Well, it's a bit smaller than my old bedroom, but I don't mind.
Really?
Yes, my brother Charlie got the big bedroom, but that's okay because I've got a beautiful view of the garden.
And what about...
What do you think? Her new bedroom has got a beautiful view of the garden. Little help?
I've got a beautiful view of the garden.
Yes, the answer is true. Next one. Her new house is next to a park.
4. Listen. A.
It won't be a problem anymore. In my new neighborhood, the nearest park is a 10-minute bike ride away.
So is it true or false? Little help?
In my new neighborhood, the nearest park is a 10-minute bike ride away.
Yes, it is false. Next.
4. Listen. A.
She has to take the bus to get to school. The answer is little help.
And my school's closer too. I don't have to take the bus to get there.
You don't have to take the bus to get to school. So she has to take the bus to go to school? No, it is not. That's not true. Next activity. This one.
B. Listen again and choose the correct answer, A, B or C. Then check your answers with a partner.
Hey, Laura, what do you think of your new house?
Well, I like it more than our old house because it's bigger and it's got...
So Laura's new house is as big as the old one, bigger than it, or smaller than it. Your choice is yes, it's big. It's bigger than the old one.
a beautiful garden.
Oh, That's nice. Your old house didn't have a garden, right?
No, just a balcony.
And what's your bedroom like?
Well, it's a bit smaller than my old bedroom.
Her bedroom is, compared to Charlie's, as big as it, or bigger than Charlie's room, or smaller? Your answer? Yes. C. Very good. Let's move on.
But I don't mind.
Really?
Yes, my brother Charlie got the big bedroom, but that's okay because I've got a beautiful view of the garden.
And what about the neighbourhood?
It's great because it's more peaceful than my old neighbourhood. I can finally get some peace and quiet.
Yeah, your old neighbourhood was a bit noisy. The park next to your house was very popular, and lots of kids went there to play every afternoon.
Well,
Yes. Your answer should be A, B, or C. It's more peaceful than it. Very good. Excellent. Well done. Now to the next one. Here are some questions that we discussed together. What does Laura think about her new house? What do you think? Did she like it or not? In fact, yes, she likes it more than the old house. It's bigger and it has got a beautiful garden. Second question, why does Laura like her new neighborhood? Why does Laura likes her new neighborhood? What does she think about it? Here is a model answer. She thinks it's great because it's more peaceful than the old neighborhood. She also thinks that her new neighborhood is safer than her old one. Great, well done. Here we arrive to the end of our video. Thank you so much. Today, you helped me learn about the grammar and the listening. In grammar, we have seen the comparative. We went through a revision and some examples with a new rule, short, long, and irregular adjectives. And then in listening, we used what we learned in a comparison in describing the new house of Laura. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next video. Don't forget, I'll be waiting for your questions in the forum, and the game is at the end of the week. The bank of knowledge, there you'll find your activities, and the quiz, daily quiz, is waiting for you. Thank you and see you around.